If you're looking for a way to grow your YouTube channel, this is the video that changes your life. The Video Ranking Academy course took our channel from 3 to 3,500 real-time views and generated $3,000 of monthly income consistently. Now, don't just blindly believe what I say. I want to invite you to Sean Cannell's free YouTube Masterclass before you spend any money on the Video Ranking Academy course. In the YouTube Masterclass, Sean Cannell is going to show you how to rank #1 inside of YouTube search, grow your YouTube channel, and turn views into income. Let me tell you a story. So there I was, one day, not so long ago, I was feeling lost. I didn't know what my purpose was or what I could do to change the way I was feeling. All I really wanted was for someone to show me the way. How could I grow my online business? How could I get views on my videos? How could I actually start making money? With all these questions running through my head, I was frozen, too scared to do anything. Not knowing what to do, I turned to YouTube videos to distract me from the pain. And that's when I discovered one of Sean Cannell's videos on YouTube. In this video, he told me about his free YouTube Masterclass, and I jumped on it right away. This was it. I could feel it. I dove straight into making YouTube videos using what I'd learned in the free YouTube Masterclass. And then the growth started to happen. Slow at first, but then I started to get traction and things started to accelerate. Fast forward to today, and now I'm consistently getting 3,500 real-time views on the channel. We now have 18,000 subscribers, and we're growing every single day while making a full-time living on YouTube. If this is something you want to find out more about, then you're in for a treat. Let me tell you a little bit more about Video Ranking Academy and why it's the best course to transform you from new YouTuber to profitable business owner making videos. If you've watched any of Sean Cannell's videos on YouTube and you enjoy his teaching style, then there's no better course for you to take to master YouTube than Video Ranking Academy 2.0. We rank Video Ranking Academy 5 stars because it transformed our YouTube channel from 0 views to 5 million views. This course seriously is the easiest step-by-step guide to growing your YouTube channel. In this course, you'll get the tools and skills you need to get started on YouTube. Clarify your channel's niche and direction, take action without fear, have a community to support you to achieve your goals. The great thing about the community is it helps you stay accountable to the goals for your YouTube channel and helps you find success. I want to show you how the course Video Ranking Academy helped me get my start on YouTube and make it my full-time thing, taking me all the way from 0 to 5 million views. And I want to show you how you can do it too. This course teaches you step by step how to create evergreen videos that get views day in and day out. Let me explain why the course works. It works because the course teaches you how to reduce your competition so that you can rank higher inside of YouTube search. And this is the key to success when you're first starting out on YouTube. The best thing about the course is that you can start from scratch. When I started, I knew nothing about making videos and even less about YouTube. Sean shows you a simplified framework on how to create videos with the correct structure that get views. He explains all this inside of the free YouTube Masterclass. And if you want to find out the secret, I'll leave a link for you in the description down below. If you want to find out more about the Video Ranking Academy course and what's actually inside it, I'll take you through a brief overview of what's inside the course. My favorite thing about Video Ranking Academy is that Sean teaches you how to get started with affiliate marketing so you can make money from your YouTube channel. This is the best thing that I've learned, and it's helped me make over $3,000 from my YouTube channel per month consistently. Let me explain a bit about affiliate marketing and how it works. With affiliate marketing, you refer a person to a product, and if they like that product and buy it, then you get a sales commission for referring the customer. It's the easiest way to start making money with your videos on YouTube, and it's the least amount of hassle because you don't have to make a product, deal with customer service, or any returns. The owner of the product or service deals with all of this. You're just the salesman and the marketer promoting a product that you believe in. Let me show you what it looks like inside the course. Module 1, Getting Started. Why right now is the best time to start on YouTube. How to 10x your results with Video Ranking Academy. Module 2, the 7 R's. Getting clarity on your goals. Explaining the 7 R's system and how you can use it to make more views, the ASQ strategy, the 50-50 rule, and your YouTube analytics. Module 3, understanding the 10 YouTube commandments. Module 4, the best way to start making money on YouTube. Module 5, 3 essentials to succeed on YouTube. Building your influence, top ways to make money on YouTube. In Module 6, we talk about taking action, which is the most important. And in Module 7, we talk about mastery. Now that you're ready to invest in yourself and your future success, head down to the link in the description and this will take you across to Video Ranking Academy. Stop putting off your success and start taking action by investing in yourself today. This is the best investment you can make for your future by far. So what are you waiting for? Let's do this. If you're on board, give me a thumbs up in the comments.